think about the simplest solution first. Instead of trying to build large, complex things from the get-go, do it very simple and then add on as it makes sense. So I'm very much for like a common sense approach to building systems, because you build something big, you don't know what all the edge cases were when you built that. So you're going to have this Frankenstein from the get-go that you're trying to fix all the time. Whereas if you build small things and then compose them together, you're more likely to have something much more reliant. A lot of folks want to do the complex thing because it sounds cool, but complex thing isn't always necessarily good for your team, your business, and everything else. Even like if I have the luxury of designing like a data storage from scratch, I even think about data when it makes sense to at like the computer science level of, do I just store this thing as a type to value so that then I can infer it elsewhere? And so there's all kind. I end up going back to basic computer science of decompose the problem. Where is this data that needs to be compliant? Then how do I just go about understanding how to remove things from it? Slow down. So many people try to do so much at once, and then it's similar to breaking things down. If you slow down, you're going to see your mistakes earlier instead of waiting until it becomes a big mess. Ask questions is the other one. A lot of people have a really hard time asking questions. Even if you don't know how to ask it, just explain what the problem is and say, can you help me? This game brings in the macroeconomic situations we're having fun with right now, where there was definitely in companies this idea to simplify everyone down to a thing. So like my Airflow person, my Spark person, my SQL person. I think that's great when money's cheap. And I think all the companies are going to start coming back and looking for more of a generalist who can look across all of those.